Shine bright up all night whenever.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I would be sharing with you in this tutorial very quick and easy simple eye makeup look to create on any attire that you are wearing. This eye makeup will be suitable. You can carry on this eye makeup on any attire. It's a simple eye makeup tutorial for beginners. The first eyeshadow that I would be using from this Faces Canada palette would be this one. Begin applying this eyeshadow on your outer V. I'm using Pro Art PE29 brush. Fill your outer V. After you're done packing this eyeshadow on your outer V, move it towards the crease. Hold the brush very lightly when you're packing eyeshadow on your crease. Move it in circular motion for smokiness. Next, I'm picking this chocolate brown eyeshadow to intensify my outer V. Pat and begin blending it with the outer V eyeshadow. Mix it with the crease along with the outer V. Move the brush here on the crease. Don't take too much inside. Next, I'm packing the shimmery eyeshadow. This is a very simple eye makeup tutorial for beginners. It's done only using 3 eyeshadows, 2 matte and 1 shimmery. Keep the shimmery eyeshadow within the crease. Do not cross your crease. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. Next, I would be creating winged eyeliner. I'm using a very affordable eyeliner. This eyeliner is worth buying. It is from Insight. Link to this product along with the other products is in the description box below. If you're interested, please check the description box for more details. Next, I would be creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye. Eye makeup looks very beautiful after creating pointed inner corner. I'm using Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. Smush the kajal on a lower lash line. After applying, to intensify my eyelashes, I'm using Iconic Lakme Mascara. Intensify your eyelashes well, coating mascara. And it's done. This is the final look. This is a very quick and easy beginner friendly eye makeup tutorial for beginners. If you like this eye makeup, then please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.